reading, vocabulary, meanings, grammar. So let's start with the reading. You will get a text from any topic. It's not necessary to take it from your book, but this is an example. Read the text, then answer the questions. Dr. Edward Jenner was experimenting with ways of vaccinating against smallpox when he noticed that people working with cows didn't suffer the disease. This is a model. Let's have a practice here. Notice disease, suffer, vaccinating, experimenting, smallpox. You're going to write these words to fill out this paragraph. Dr. Edward Jenner was experimenting, carrying an experiment with ways of vaccinating, giving vaccine to your body against smallpox when he noticed that people working with cows didn't suffer the disease, the illness. Let's practice. True or false? As you know, in the previous test, there was just a lot of questions. Yes, no, comprehension questions. You can give immediate answers to some points, tables, etc. But in the coming test, just two kinds of questions: true or false, and multiple choice questions. Now let's start with this. According to the passage you read, Edward Jenner was a physician. Somebody who's interested in medicine, not physics. So, is that right? Correct. 2. People who used to work with cows suffered from smallpox. Wrong. Complete the following paragraph. Vocabulary skill. Water is the only substance that easy to find in the three states of solid, liquid, and gas. That of water are important for life on earth. Properties. This is an extract from the science reader. By the way, you have to be careful about every vocabulary, every word in your book, science and the other units. True or false? It's not easy to find water in the three states of matter. According to the test we read, it's wrong. 2. Water properties are important for life on earth. True. Skill number 2, grammar. Prefixes and suffixes. As you know, prefixes are letters that are put in front of the stem and they change the word into the opposite. Suffixes are letters that are added to the end of the stem and change the part of speech. Let's get started. These are examples of prefixes: on, in, l, this, miss, re, n. These are examples of suffixes. And by the way, prefixes and suffixes are a lot, but these are the most common ones. Let's practice. This is an old way. You have a word. After reading the word, you have to find the prefix and the suffix in the word. Unquestionable. It has the prefix un, able, and able. Disproof. This. Careless, less. This is the new way. Choose the correct answer. The word interestingly has a prefix, a suffix, a prefix and suffix, none, suffix. Ingly is a suffix. 2. The word illegally has a prefix, suffix, a prefix and suffix, none, a prefix and suffix. Compounds. Let me explain. Compounds are two words combined to make one new word. For example, team plus work equals teamwork. Team work. Good. Let's practice. This is an old way. Circle the compound words. Be careful. Some words are long, like communications. Don't be misled by long words. They are tricky. The compound could be short, could be long. Now, let's circle the compound words. Spaceship, space plus ship. Daydream, day plus dream. Playground, play plus ground. Network, net plus work. Smartboard, smart plus board. Choose the correct answer. Choose the compound noun. Amazingly, willingness, gunfire, population. So the compound is gun, fire, gunfire. 2. Choose the word which is not, be careful, not compound. Keyboard, policeman, air hostess, uncooperative. Correct. Uncooperative is not compound. Parts of speech. What does that mean? Some words have the same spelling, the same pronunciation, but they have more than one part of speech. Let's have this example. He plans to have dinner at a nice restaurant, but his friends disapprove his plans. Look, plans. The same spelling, the same pronunciation, but the function, the grammatical function is different. So he plans here is a verb. He's making a plan. He's making an arrangement. The second one is a noun. These are the most common words, but they are a lot. Let's start with this. Water is a verb and a noun. Milk, verb and a noun. Hard, adjective and adverb. Fast, adjective adverb. Late, adjective adverb. Hand, verb noun. Cut, verb noun. Well, adjective noun adverb. Leave, noun verb. Saw, noun verb. Write, noun adjective adverb. Light, verb noun. Experiment, verb noun. Place, verb noun. Welcome, verb adjective noun. Smell, verb noun. Taste, verb noun. free, verb, adjective, walk, verb, noun, ride, verb, noun, fly, verb, noun, answer, verb, noun, open, verb, adjective, drink, verb, noun, drive, verb, noun, he, verb, noun, dream, verb, noun, plant, verb, noun, like, adjective, verb. Let's practice. Write, verb, noun, adjective, adverb for the underlined words. So focus on the word which is underlined and write whether it's a verb, noun, adjective, or an adverb. He leaves the office late. It's a verb. He departs. The scientist studied the leaves carefully. Leaves here is not a verb, it's a noun. Like that. It's not your right to disturb the others. Right here, noun. Am I right? Adjective. Choose the correct answer. Our teacher is patient. Patient is a verb, noun, adverb, an adjective. So the function of this word in this sentence is an adjective. 2. They want to leave tomorrow. What is the function of the word leave in this sentence? Is it a noun, adverb, adjective, verb? So it's a verb. And with this, I come to the end of the first part of the revision. Thank you for watching. Khalid Al-Thulaya was with you from Rawad Al-Yemen schools.